Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase iPhone touch sensitivity, and here's how it is done. Now let's start by heading into the Settings app. Once there, swipe down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, you will see Touch as the first option. Tap on that, and we will explore a few settings. First up, let us tap on Haptic Touch. Here, you can adjust the touch duration. You can stick with the default setting, or if you want the touch to be more sensitive, switch to fast. Keep in mind this controls how quickly a pop-up appears when you touch and hold on the screen. If it's set to slow, holding down will take a longer to register, while fast makes it more responsive. Next, you can tweak the settings under touch accommodations. If this is enabled, you'll be able to adjust things like hold duration, which determines how long you need to hold your finger on something before it is recognized. You can also enable Ignore Repeat, which is great if you accidentally tap the screen multiple times. It will count those repeated taps as just one. You can also choose Tap Assistance, where you can opt for Initial Touch or Final Touch. Selecting Final Touch means the last points of contact is the one that is registered. If you want to reset everything to default, you can easily turn off these options. Another important setting to look at is Tap to Wake. If this is toggled off, you won't be able to wake your iPhone with a simple tap, so be sure it is turned on. And that is everything you need to know about how to increase iPhone touch sensitivity. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.